Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to install the base of Doona car set. You will get this Doona car set plus stroller, a seat protector, and a base. So there are two different method of installing the base. One is with the latch method, and the other one with a seat belt. So I will show you how to install a base with a latch mechanism because my car has a latch in it. So first thing first, so you need to tug this seat protector here, and in the car seat base you will find this belt here. Just pull out the belt from both the side, and then you need to fix that into the latch. So in my cars I have this latch mechanism here, so you just need to push it in, and make sure you will hear a click sound. So now it's fixed, so let's do it from both the side. With the help of this belt you can adjust and make sure it's tight enough. And on the base you will see this bulb here. Make sure this white bulb is in a this green space, not in the red, and you can adjust it by rotating this clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can adjust and make sure this bulb, the white bulb, is in a green area. So now this one is fixed. So now let's place the car seat on this base. Once you place the car seat onto the base, this will turn into the green. If it is red or orange, then it means that the seat is not fixed properly. So make sure this switch turn into the green.